Welcome back to Easily Explained, where today we will be talking about the different types of graphs. So let's get started. A circle graph shows how the data of a portion compares to a whole. In this example, the entire circle represents 100%, and each little portion represents a separate category. A bar graph is used to compare different categories. A picture graph uses pictures and symbols to represent data. In this case, the smiley faces could represent anything. We just know that one category has 3 of them and one has 2. A broken line graph shows data points joined by broken line segments. A continuous line graph could be considered your line of best fit. This is one straight, continuous line that connects all the data points. Now, for a continuous line graph, there are some must-haves. 1, you need a title for the graph. 2, you need labels with the number and unit. And 3, you need independent x variable and dependent y variable. So, how would this all look with the graph? Your continuous line graph would look something like this. It has a title, labels, and if necessary, the unit, and your x and y variable. Now for some key vocabulary terms. To extrapolate is if you were to extend the graph below or above the data given. To interpolate is to predict the distance between 2 points. Pause the video now and complete the practice, choosing which graph you would use in each scenario. Alright, these are the answers. The first one, comparing the number of people who like oranges versus apples, you would use a bar graph because you are comparing 2 categories, people who like oranges versus people who like apples. Since you're not comparing it to the entire population of people, you wouldn't use a circle graph because you're not trying to compare it to a whole. The second one is showing the linear data of hours worked versus money made. Now, since it is linear, that means that the data will have the same slope and it will come out to be a straight line, and therefore it would be a continuous line graph. Congratulations, you are now an expert on the different types of graphs. We hope this video really helps, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye!